We're making something called shaking beef. In Vietnamese, it's called Lúc Lắc. The reason it's called that is later on when you see us cooking it, we're going to have to shake the wok or the pan that it's in to get it all nice and cozy. So we ended up getting a New York strip. And Mark also washed up some tomatoes, doing little slits in the tomatoes. Because if you just throw this in the hot pan and you bite into it later, all the hot juices will burst in your mouth, which is one of the reasons why I don't really like cherry tomatoes to begin with. So we're going to take the steak. Here's the piece.
Good New York strip.
And what we're gonna do is cut them in cubes because chicken beef is eaten in cubes, not strips.
I could eyeball for you.
Oh, okay.
Double that amount. That should be a teaspoon.
Tablespoon is this whole spoon?
Heaping spoon.
Heaping.
Make sure you get enough mound.
Mound.
Yeah.
All right. So we got that.
Okay.
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 Make it however you want. Okay. So I'm gonna add the garlic here.
Easy peasy. Let's see.
All right. Real quick. Here is. If you didn't really pay attention, it kind of looks like poke, like tuna poke.
It does look like cube tuna pieces.
So we're just gonna let it chill out for about 20 minutes. And it says to do it on medium-high heat. Oops. I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Ooh. This is kind of fun.
It's kind of...
This looks weird.
It looks weird on camera, actually.
All right, and then for any pieces that didn't get to brown, you could just use your tongs and flip it over. We're gonna do a medium rare on this, so we don't really need to cook it for too long.
Perfect.
And then at this stage of the game, okay, we're just gonna let it sit for a second. We're gonna add the tomatoes.
Oh, all that like oil from earlier and from the steak has coated the tomatoes.
Yeah, doesn't that look good?
Very shiny tomatoes.
Do like a little bit of an array here. Can you see that? Yeah, you can all see that. Assembling this one while Mark has that one.
More drippings means more flavor. Beautiful.
The final product.
Very beautiful.
Doesn't that look good?
Yeah. I'm going to try a piece of steak
Just
first.
straight up, yeah.
Mm.
맛있어.
Really good.
Can you say that? ngon
Long what?
Ngon.
Long
What?
what?
Mm-hmm.
Long what?
Very delicious. Ooh! I made
Very,
this.
very good. Mm.
Mm. Rice perfectly done. Okay, I'm gonna dip a little bit in this sauce here.
Oh yeah.
Just a very up.
Like you really don't need this dipping sauce, but it does give it an interesting new layer of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
But it's already, the steak in itself is already garlicky and soy saucy. It freshens it up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.